Hi, hello, welcome to my garden. Today I will show here two birds are sleeping. This is night mode. 9:40 time is. So see here how these are looking very beautiful. These two birds are sleeping, looking very beautiful. These two birds are sleeping. See here how these are. They are folding their beak into their feathers. So these are looking like cotton. Okay, mold cotton. See, looking very beautiful. See here. This is night mode, and another four birds are there. I will show you. Another four birds are there. Thank you for watching my video. This is night mode. Okay. Thank you.